Understanding spinning around in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, spinning around. This is a common phrase in English, and understanding it can really help you in everyday conversations. Let's dive in. Spinning around literally means to turn or rotate swiftly in a circle. Imagine a child spinning in circles in a playground or a dancer twirling on stage. This physical action of moving in circles is the base meaning of the phrase. 2.1 Feeling disoriented or confused. In a figurative sense, spinning around can describe a feeling of disorientation or confusion. For example, after hearing the news, my head was spinning around. 2.2 Busy and active. It can also mean being very busy or active, often to the point of feeling overwhelmed. Like, with all these projects, I've been spinning around all week. To help you better understand, let's look at some sentences. 1. She was spinning around in her new dress, feeling joyful. 2. I've been spinning around trying to get all my work done. Don't confuse spinning around with spinning off. Spinning off refers to creating something new from an existing entity, especially in business or TV shows. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, spinning around, in both its literal and figurative contexts. Remember, English is full of such phrases, and learning them can be fun and rewarding. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.